everyone, this is Maggie with another wood craft for you. Today we are going to make a riser, and what you're going to need are 2 wood rounds, some wood beads, and 2 different color paints. I'm going to be using white chalk paint and gray. And you'll need a glue gun as well. So the idea is we're gonna have our beads in the middle here, just like that, and then we can put feet on the bottom depending on the look you're going for. So I already have my gray here, and I'm gonna start painting this first one. All the wood, the rounds and the beads, I got those on Amazon. So you can order them. I'm of course not advocating for going shopping yet. So we've got one painted. I'm not going to paint the bottom because you're not really going to see it anyway. So that's the first one, and I'm going to paint the second one, and then I will be back to show you a tip for painting the beads. Okay, so my tip for the beads is if you have a skewer that you can put them on, that is probably going to be the easiest way to paint them. You'll figure out how many you need. It completely depends on really what you want it to look like. If you want the whole round to be covered, if you want just a few, it's entirely up to you. So you'll just count out however many you want. If they all fit on here at one time, if not, of course, you know, you can just paint it again. And you'll just paint it just like this. I'm using the white chalk paint. You can use chalk paint, you can use acrylic paint, you can use stain if you really want to. And once our beads are all painted, then we'll be able to glue them down. Alright, so I will see you back here when everything is dry to finish it up. Alright everyone, so we are back with our painted beads and our 2 discs here. And I did count mine. I painted a total of 21, and that includes 4 that I plan on putting on the bottom as feet. So, like I said, I wasn't painting the undersides. They're going to be sandwiched. You're not really going to see much of them. So, I am going to be gluing the beads as close to the edge as possible. I do want them to stick out a little bit. So I am using a hot glue gun for this. You can use this, you can use E6000, whatever works for you. Just make sure that they all stay on well and that they are stuck out as far as you would like them to be. Okay, so I do have 18 on here. I just wanted to give you a final count of how many I actually used to fill mine. And of course, this will vary depending on the size wood rounds that you use. And now that you have them all on, you want to get your glue on the top. Preferably as quickly as possible. So now it should look like a cute little sandwich. And now you're going to take either 3 or 4 beads. I wound up with 3, and I'm sure you saw me put a bead back earlier. I noticed that one of them was a little bit flatter on the bottom, so I thought that would be good to attach to the bottom. It's okay if it's not. It's completely okay, but because I noticed it, I decided it would be smart to grab that one. You also do want to make sure that if you are putting feet on it, that they're roughly the same height. You definitely don't want to have different height legs on here. And there you have it. Cute little riser. You can put a nice pretty large candle on here if you have. You can put any decorative piece on here. I'm going to be using it for a pretty jar that I made. So I hope you have enjoyed this craft. If you make one like it, definitely send us a picture, show us how it came out, and I will see you in our next video.